What up YouTube, J-Dub here, and today I've got a little project that I'm doing, and I'm installing the Santoro Shift Linkage. The Shift Linkage. So that's what I'm installing in here. This comes from Santoro. I got it from Forever Rad. They say it firms up the shifting, takes the slop out of the shifting. I'm curious to try it. Plus it looks really nice, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is it. And this is going to replace the dingy little thing that is at the bottom here. So my thought process is, according to an online video from Santoro, we're going to lube up the turnbuckles. And then maybe if I can get it to focus, yeah, we're gonna lube up the turnbuckles, and we're gonna take the old one off, and we're gonna basically match up the length of the two together, and then we'll make an adjustment from there. All right, guys, I took this off. Basically, it's two 10mm bolts. They sit up underneath here for the shift rod, right here. Not hard to get to. A gear wrench or a ratcheting wrench would probably be the best way to do that, but socket I think it's too long to get in there. But yeah, so this is what we're replacing right here. Definitely a little bit more flimsy than this. So those are the two next to each other. Okay guys, so I got that greased up on both ends, just some general purpose grease, just a dabble do ya. And I matched these up. The nuts on here are 10mm, so I got it matched up. Hopefully this will fit. If we have to, we'll make an adjustment once we get it on the bike, okay? All right guys, so basically right here is the bolt, and then right down there is the other bolt. I got it tightened up, and I think we're good. The biggest thing is with mine, because I've got the Kiriakin heel shifter, you just don't want the heel shifter to be hitting, and it's barely there, but it's good. It's good. All right, guys, and that's basically gonna wrap it up. Really not that hard. The biggest thing is just matching the turnbuckles on each side, and then I guess you could adjust it if you need to later, but definitely firmed it up. All right, guys, so I just went out for a quick ride, and I will say, while there is a noticeable difference in the linkage, so the best way I could describe this is like if you go to shift, you almost kind of get like a bowing feeling on the stock shifter. This is gone. You click, it goes. Click, it goes. Finding neutral, a simple tap, and it goes into neutral. I really like this. That's really, really nice. So good on you, Santoro, for making that so nice. Like I said, no interference or anything like that. It worked out great. Yeah, but anyway, guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, maybe I missed something, who knows, you wanted to say hi, whatever, leave a comment down below. I try to get to everybody in the comments I can. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. We're getting a lot of new subscribers, and I appreciate every one of you. You guys are awesome. Like I said, like, share the video, and until next video, guys.